Hello students, BA part second semester third subject English literature. In last video we learned an essay, the rule of the road. Today we are going to learn an essay on good resolutions, means to take good decision in new year or in new situation. This essay is written by Robert Lee. So here firstly we will see life and work of Robert Lee. Robert Lee lifespan is 1879 up to 1949. So remember, his lifespan is 1879 up to 1949. Was an Irish writer, essayist, an Irish nationalist. Means he is from Irish. He is a writer as well as essayist. Means we are learning here about Robert Lee. It is a great thing for us. So remember Robert Lee and you take some good things from him. He was the son of a moderator of the General Assembly of Presbyterian Church in Ireland. Robert John Lind. His full name is Robert John Lind. Lind was educated at Royal Belfast Academical Institution and Queen's University. He began his career as a journalist on the northern wing in the Belfast. Firstly, he worked journalism and after that he became writer. He moved to London in 1901 and after that he has gone to London in 1901 and started writing criticism on drama. Firstly, he write criticism on the drama. After that, he write essay and poems. He also wrote for the Daily News and became the literary editor in 1912. He is journalism. Obviously, he wrote Daily News also and remained in the position in 1947. So this work has been completed until 1947 by him. He became a fluent Irish speaker and Gaelic Link member. So his language is a fluent Irish. He wrote for the Republic in the early days and after that he also wrote Republic. And same title Republic is written by Plato. Plato was the greatest philosopher like Socrates. He married the writer Sylvia Dryhurst. His wife is Sylvia. He married in 1909. He settled in the Hampstead near the Pitt's house. Lind died in 1949 and was buried in Belfast City Cemetery. He was died in 1949 and buried in Belfast City Cemetery. So this is the life of him. Now we are going to learn work of him. He was awarded the Silver Medal of Royal Society of Literature in 1928. So think about, he was awarded also Silver Medal of Royal Society of Literature. So this is the greatest thing for him as well as us. Means he awarded silver and after that we are learning about him. It is a good thing. And the Sunday Times gold medal for the Belles Letter. After that he also awarded also the Sunday Times Gold Medal for the Bell's Letters in 1932. He was also awarded the honorary literary doctorate by Queen's University Belfast. So he also awarded honorary literary doctorate by Queen's University Belfast. So 3 awards has been awarded by him. His principal work are The Mental of the Emperor, very famous work, The Mental of the Emperor in 1906. Irish and English, it was published in 1908. Next one is Home Life in Ireland. It was published in 1909. The Book of This and That, 1915. Next one is Ireland, a Nation. It was published in 1990. Book and Authors. It was published in 1922. Selected Essays, 1933. The Pearl of Bells. It was published in 1924. Next one is Why, an anthology of essays in 1933. I Tremble to Think in 1936. In Defense of Pink, it was published in 1937. Further Essays of Robert Lynn, it was published in 1942. Essays on Life and Literature, it was published in 1951. And last work is Books and Writers. It was published in 1952. So these works have been written by him. Means he was a eminent personality in literature. That's why he wrote many works. So you read some works for the knowledge. It is a good thing for us. Now, brief summary of an essay on good resolutions. The essay on good resolutions reflects Lynn's gentle humor, elegant style, personal anecdotes, broad sympathies, and gifted talent. Here, through essay, we understand the writing of Robert Lee. Means what is writing, what is in his writing. So we understand through this essay. So in this essay, he famous or reflects has a for humor, elegant style, personal anecdotes, broad sympathy, and gifted talents. Through this essay, we understood this writing of him. Every new year, people make a lot of good resolutions but seldom put them into practice. We decide to take proper decision or to start the good decision in new year, but this is not applicable properly, or this is not seldom put them into practice, but we decide only and we don't practice properly. So they means like that he explained here. So next part of this essay we will learn in next video. Thank you.